Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for NASDAQ price prediction based on Elliott wave analysis. This is the intraday for the 1 hour and 15-minute chart. And as we saw in the daily in the morning, we made a video. We said, okay, we're looking potentially for higher. We're opening in green for this week. And potentially we're looking for the next target. We were here in the daily and we said, okay, next target is this one, 20K 100. And here we go. Now the next target is the 1-to-1 fib level. What does it mean? 1-to-1 fib level, well, of course, a finish is this a zigzag. Yeah? In case we are in a zigzag for a wave Y, because you have a W as a zigzag, zigzag for a Y, and X in between. W, X, and a Y. Meaning your X has finished here, your Y might finish on the 1-to-1 fib level, and we're gonna see the reaction. What the reaction would be at the 1-to-1 fib level if we move toward the downside in 5 waves, 3 up, and then continuation breaking the low. This is continuation for the bearish. If we move, definitely we're gonna have a reaction, guys. If we move in 3 waves and we move higher again, breaking the first low and the high, definitely you're moving to 1.618 as a wave 3. Meaning, if you are moving in a wave 3 in bullish scenario, you are in a big wave 1, 2. You're looking for a wave 3 toward the upside. You have already a 1, 2 ABC as a expanding flat as well, 4, 3, 4, and a 5, 4, and a 5. This is your bullish scenario. Of course, finishing wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, continuation toward the upside of the bull market. If we are bearish, you will see, of course, as explained here, you will see, of course, 5 waves toward the downside, continuation, of course, for lower. Since we have the invalidation of the bearish, we can remove this 1, 2 here. There is no 1, 2 anymore. And if we take a look at this move toward the downside, what does this mean right now? If we are bearish, this means your correction, your biggest correction in the middle of a drop down. If we turn into WX and a Y and we move down, this leg is your first leg of the correction, because your correction should be 3 waves. A, B, and a C, or W, X, and a Y. Yeah. In this case scenario, because we got invalidation here of the impulse, meaning it has turned this one, we have to remove all the impulses. It has turned this one into a zigzag. Very simple. A, B, and a C. No impulses. We're gonna remove all the impulses. Potentially here it can be, but because you got, now it has turned into zigzag because of the invalidation. It's not an impulse anymore. It says this is a 3 waves. If this is a 3 wave, it is mandatory that this one should be 3 waves, not an impulse. Nice, right? So this is how Elliott wave systematics work, right? And we have, of course, here definitely a correction in between where you have the start of the wave Y, meaning your correction can be starting from here as W. This is your W, X in between, and a Y, right? Your W is, of course, 3 waves here toward the downside, somehow like this. Correction, impulse, finished. 3 waves down, correction, and impulse. Or it can be even, it can, yeah, but the other one is nicer. Of course, we cannot say here this is very, very shallow one, yeah? Meaning, potentially this is your first structure, A, B, and a C. Yeah? Finishing wave W, X, and a Y. And if we take it as matching the Y and the W, look how much they match. Yeah, they look at least symmetrical. Yeah, symmetrical, I would say, or even equal in scale. And that is a perfect WX and a Y. And after this, if this will turn into bearish, also WX and a Y, meaning WXY or ABC, whatever it is, but WXY higher potential, continuation impulsively toward the downside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Yep. And if we are bullish, of course, we have to watch the 1-to-1 fib level. and the reaction of it. If we see a very nice reaction, therefore, okay, that's good. A, B, C, D, E is gone. We're gonna remove it. Very nice today, clean chart. It has cleaned up everything. This price has cleaned up right now the chart, and it make it much more even clearer for us. What are we looking at? So here is our crossroad, right? At the 1-to-1 fib level, 20k 200. That was it for NASDAQ. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.